Hello everybody, I just want to show you what I do to share fields between resources. So what do I mean? I have a admin panel and a customer panel, and they both have a post resource and they are both using the exact same fields. So what I do is I get rid of all of this and I use this. Now what is this? This is a post fields class that I've created. I've just added a resources fields folder in here, and if we click into this class, I've just put all of those inputs that I had in the resource into here, into static classes. So that means I can just call them like that, which means that I can get rid of all of this for both of the resources, and I just have one central place for all of the fields. Now if we look at the actual resources, yep, all the fields are there, and refresh, all the fields are still there. This really just helps tidy up things and just keeps things organized. So if you ever wanted to change something, so for instance you wanted to make the slug optional, you can just get rid of it, and then it's affected both of the panels. But you might wonder, your panels might be slightly different, so there might be slight differences in the functionality. So for instance, on the customer panel you might not want them to edit the slug, like it should be a disable field. So because this is just returning the input, you can just do this. You can just go disabled true, and then the slug input will be disabled on the customer one, but it will still be enabled on the admin one. Now you can do this for anything really. You could do this for the columns, you could do this for the filters, the actions, whatever you want. It just helps break out the fields so there's not so much repeating logic. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please do hit the like and subscribe button if you did think it was helpful. I will leave a link to the GitHub repository for this code if you want to check it out. But if you have any questions, then please do ask in the comments down below. And that's about it. I'll see you in the next video.